3, 2, we have engine ignition,
3 raised.
and we have liftoff.
Eutelsat, Europe's premier satellite operator, launches Hotbird 5. Built by Matra Marconi Space in France and Britain, Hotbird 5 completes the fleet of television and multimedia satellites at 13 degrees east and will make a significant contribution to Eutelsat's network, already one of the largest and most modern commercial broadcasting systems in the world. Replacing Eutelsat 2 F1, it adds high-power digital and analog capacity so that more services can be delivered to the 70 million homes that now receive channels from 13 degrees east. When Hotbird 5 comes into service in November, Eutelsat will be operating 98 transponders from 13 degrees east, making it possible to carry hundreds of digital and analog channels from a single orbital position. Like its 4 sister satellites, Hotbird 5 features a super beam enabling direct reception in Western and Central Europe with very small antennas, and also a wide beam which reaches as far east as Moscow, Dubai and Saudi Arabia. But Hotbird 5 is different. Its 22 transponders and flexible bandwidth options of 33, 36 and 72 MHz will allow Eutelsat to use all the available frequency spectrum at 13 degrees east. And most important of all, Hotbird 5 will carry the first commercial Skyplex payload, offering flexibility, independence and reduced transmission costs for broadcasters and service providers alike. Developed by Eutelsat and ESA, built by Alenia Aerospazio in Italy, and successfully tested on Hotbird 4, Skyplex is a unique on-board multiplexing facility. It enables individual television, radio and multimedia carriers to be uplinked separately from different locations and downlinked in a single stream to consumer DVB decoders. Hotbird 5 and Skyplex, a further step in the multimedia revolution and another leading-edge solution from Eutelsat.